Do you have the WhatsApp app installed on your device, but you still don't know how to use it or how to get the most out of it? Don't worry, here we will teach you everything. WhatsApp is an instant messaging service. It is the most used in the world. Over time, this app has evolved and implemented new tools and features. One of the functions that few know is how we can change the text format in WhatsApp, all through bold, italics, or strike-through. Just add the following characters: text, asterisk, bold, asterisk, underscore, italic, underscore. Another one is how to disappear your last WhatsApp connection. You can do it in the following way. You must open the settings menu, select account and then privacy to deactivate last seen. In addition to that, you can choose which of your contacts can see your last connection and which cannot. In addition to that, you can prevent yourself from being added to a group without your permission. What you need to do is go to Settings, then click on Account and then on Privacy. Once there, you are going to go to the Group option, and by clicking, you can decide who can add you to a group. Another trick that will come in handy is listen to the voice notes that are sent to you without opening the app. If you are on an Android or iOS device, you will be able to listen to voice memos without opening the app. This is possible if you preview the messages from your notification bar. You just unfold the notification bar, press View, and the voice note will appear. There, you can hit play, and you will hear the voice note without having to open the app. In addition to these features, WhatsApp implemented the feature to view the photo only once, when you are in any chat. You simply have to go to the one icon when you go to take a photo or record a video, and your contact will see it once if you press that icon. As for WhatsApp Web, now you can link 4 devices with your account. What you must do is enter your WhatsApp from a computer or tablet. In addition to that, you enter the application and press the 3 points. Then you click on the linked devices and you can now scan the QR. And you can use WhatsApp from your computer, tablet or cell phone without having to open and close the application.